Welcome back to another episode of Craft Truck Tech Bites. We got something really cool today with Brian Walker from Sennheiser. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
This is something that's very cool because sometimes we've got like, less expensive stuff that's really nifty and, it's like really, good bang for your buck. And then sometimes we just want to cover the stuff that's just really, really high end and just a shitload of money. And that's what we've got here.
It's only a half shitload.
It's all half a shitload of money. This stuff is you're talking about some of the highest end product out there. So this is the 9000 system.
This is our brand new digital 9000 wireless mic system.
Right.
It's 100% digital. Obviously, coming off of the mic capsule, that's an analog signal.
Yeah.
But as soon as it gets to right here, boom, we're digital, 96K, 24-bit, word, uncompressed, going into the transmitter, coming back to the receiver, and processing through as 96K.
Let's just go over what the pieces are here.
Okay.
This transmitter, the same weight or lighter than most wireless transmitters.
Yeah, it's designed to go on the bodies of performers, like on Broadway or
Right.
something like that,
Right.
or actors on a set.
Right. And this is, okay, so this model is just called the 9000
The
transmitter?
Sk9000.
Sk9000. This thing is about, what, you said?
About $2,600 for the transmitter.
$2,600 for the transmitter. It has a built-in A to D. So analog comes in through the microphone. The microphone is another thing we got to talk about. This is the tiniest lav I've ever seen, and the quality out of it is top notch.
Top notch.
Top notch. It's a $500 lav. Once the signal comes in here, it gets broken down from analog to a 24-bit 96 kilohertz signal. No compression.
No compression.
No compression. And it flies through the air to a antenna that's behind. Then it goes into this bad boy here.
Right.
So let's talk a little bit about this bad boy over here.
This is the Em9046
Yeah.
receiver, and it has the capability of 8 channels of reception. We have the ability to give you outputs in both digital and analog.
Outputs out of this.
Yes.
Right. So if you wanted to, you could go to something that has its own DAC to redigitize it, or you could just take the digital output out of this and go straight to a hard drive recorder.
Or into your board,
Right.
whatever you want to do.
Does it reclock the signal?
You give it a word clock in, and it will automatically reclock to whatever your house standard is.
But the primary reason why you get this, just to be clear, is because you're ensuring top quality transmission and maintenance of the signal, so that you have the confidence that when it comes out of the person's mouth, whatever comes out of the person's mouth, by the time it leaves this box to be recorded, to be, it is as perfect as technology will allow right now.
Yes, and the application is when you cannot afford a failure.
So let's just talk about now. This is the handheld version of this, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
And so this microphone sells for how much total?
Okay, so just the transmitter end is about $3,000.
Right.
And then you add a capsule for anywhere, but we've got 9 capsules available for
Depending
this.
on your choice of sound?
Depending upon your choice of sound and your choice of budget. Ranging from $600 to about $1,200.
Awesome.
Okay. And then we've also designed a new suspension mount for our 9000 series microphones, so that we're really super reducing the handling noise of the microphone.
You custom order this from the factory?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a custom order from the factory. Takes about 4 weeks to build and deliver. Entire system with 8 channels, 8 transmitters. You're looking in the range of $71,000 to $74,000.
So that's with the transmitters?
Yes.
The receivers?
Yes.
So
8
the
channels in the receiver.
And the box.
Yeah.
And if you have a need for more than 8 channels, you can gang multiple of these together.
You can gang up to 4 of these together for a total of 32 channels. If you need more than 32 channels, another set, you build a whole new system from the ground up.
High-end, on-set, and live performance audio product from Sennheiser, Craft Truck Tech Bites. Thanks for joining us.